What a massive turnout at Sting 2022 in Plantation Heights, St. Anne for the clash between Amari and DJ Queenie, with Queenie taking the crown for this year 2022 staging. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV continued coverage of Sting 2022, the greatest dancehall show on earth. We'll be right back after this break with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. So the clash between Queenie and DJ Amari just went down, and I can tell you that the fans enjoyed every single moment with the two facing off against each other. But due to the whole entire thing and the security surrounding the whole entire clash itself, a number of individuals were placed on stage to provide security between the two, as this would have been a massive showdown which saw them performing their hit songs and also delivering some other counteraction song in the actual competition itself. At various occasions during the actual clash itself, the security had to step in order to keep the two apart, but I can tell you that the fans enjoyed this special moment. At the end of it, you could see Heavy D and Isaiah Leng waving the hand of Queenie, declaring that she was the actual winner for Sting 2022, and I can tell you that the fans right now are in a jubilant mood. We're not sure whether or not Queenie will provide an update in relation to the clash soon after. However, we'll continue to just track this story. However, let me bring you over now to the clash between Queenie and DJ Amari, which I can tell you that the fans right now are very elated after this was one of the most anticipated moments going into Sting 2022, and to see that it actually came and it's not actually delivered by the two. It's one of those moments that Sting had sealed and delivered to their fans who had wanted to see this happen between the two, and they got their wish. Queenie and Amari facing off on stage in front thousands of people at Plantation Cove in St. Anne. So let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV.
Move From me to you, Amari, won't you say you love Queenie? Yes, sir. Somebody say why? Why? Somebody say why? Make a girl step to me. If she want to end up in a body bag. Make a girl step to me. If she want to end up in a body bag. Me not trouble, not a body. I'm not walking with the little body. Girl, I remember me unback to ya. And when you took it, she already does the body. Bless up yourself, Amari. Amari, you want to fight me? Come on, girl. Girl power, girl power, girl power, girl power. Where is she? Hold on there, hold on there. Oh my. And we say, rise the keep on go, rise the keep on go, rise the keep on go. And we say, rise the keep on go. People, are they force somebody missing married to themselves? Comes a swine, wicked, wicked swine! What? Amari, I don't even want to challenge you. Because you know what? There's no challenge to the queen. Because I mean, say, cry! Never lazy. Amari, I cannot be everybody's cup of tea. Because I'm not a man. Come on, girl. Get a hold of yourself. Music clash. Music clash. Like physical. Music clash. Like physical. Where you want to lick me back? Eh, where you want to lick? Where you music clash. Big up leg, big up all who make this possible. Come on, Amari, get up on yourself. No fighting. No fighting. Some of us clean, some of us plastic. Some of us clean, you know what? Some of us look at you like that. Some of us look like a door. When it's some of you check them out of it. Some of that is heading out of it. Some of them is really green that. Some of them is really green. Full of chat, cleaning that. Full of inside your door. Queenie, I don't know how to do that. Amari, why let me down my back? Put away winnings, because I'm always a winner. And there's no comparison to the queen. But ladies, we all are all queens. I am queen of hearts, and she's queen of spades. Amari, I've got nothing against you. I love you, you love me, what happy station to be when I can. From me to you, Amari, won't you say you love Queenie? Yes, sir. Somebody say why? Why? Somebody say why?
Well, there you have it. That was the actual showdown between Queenie and DJ Amari. As you could see there in the clip, the security had their hands full in protecting and keeping both of them away from each other. However, the songs, I believe, could have been delivered better, and the whole entire set around the clash itself could have been planned more organized. However, the fans had their moment in order to listen to Queenie and DJ Amari performing their song, and they declare Queenie the winner after an extensive battle between the two. Songs after songs, talk after talk, and then the two face off with each other, with the fans declaring that Queenie is actually the queen of 2022's Sting, which many believe that Queenie would have been victorious, and she's actually is the one that become victorious from the competition itself. But Sting 2022, great staging of the event and great return of the event after a few years break from the event itself, and I can tell you that it returned to a new location, which saw thousands of fans turning out from all over the world in order to be a part of this spectacular moment, which was very, very good. So Sting 2022, massive staging once more, very successful staging as well, and I can tell you that it's a good look for the return of Sting. It's first staging at a new location, and the fans really came out in order to support the return of Sting. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this report though. We'll have more report to come on Sting 2022 in other coverage, but this is where we're standing out for the clash between Amari and Queenie for Sting 2022. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do so and keep up to date with what's going on in our entertainment background. So this is where we sign out for this report. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links 007 TV team.